How you doing, YouTubers? I'm out here doing a 7-day challenge of drinking apple cider vinegar for 7 days. I want to see the results. How is it for weight loss? How is it for your belly fat and your stomach? Stay tuned and we're going to find out if this is all it's cracked up to be. Stay tuned and let's get into it. Today's such a beautiful day. I had to get outside to do this video. I'm usually the guy that's behind the camera and not in front of it. So why am I so excited? Because this stuff right here works. Watch this video, learn from it, take what you can from it, and I hope it works for you too. First of all, I can't say that I'm extremely overweight, but yeah, everybody wants to shed a few pounds, especially in the midsection. And that's where I wanted to go with this 7-day challenge. What does it do for your midsection? I've read articles that apple cider vinegar takes that fat and gets rid of it. So in this 7-day challenge, I want to find out if that's true. So here's the two that we're going to put the test to. We got the Bragg version, and then we got the Oleo version, which can be tolerated by drinking it straight up. Which one tastes better, this or this? I'm gonna tell you, it's this. So if you guys are like me, you're surfing the internet and you're trying to figure out how to lose some quick weight, well, one of the things that always comes up is apple cider vinegar. How do you use it? Does it work? Well, I'm going to tell you in about 7 days if it works or not. So before we get started, I want to kind of go over a few disclaimers. Number one, I did not alter my diet on this plan, this 7-day challenge. If anything, I ate too much. I've had a lot of candy laying around from Valentine's Day. And disclaimer number two, I did no exercise through this 7-day challenge. I really wanted to stick this apple cider vinegar to the test. So here's the method I use for 7 days. I take about a half a shot of the apple cider vinegar in the morning after I woke up. And then after about bedtime, I would take another about half a shot. So in total, I was doing about 1 shot of apple cider vinegar in a day. Here we go, bottoms up. This is half a shot of apple cider vinegar, the Oleo, and I'm gonna tell you, it tastes great. Give it a shot, you won't go wrong. On day one, you can see here by my weigh-in, it was at 188. Had a waistline of about 42 inches. After about a few days, you can see where it went down a little bit. Halfway through the challenge, you can see my waistline went down to about 40. Probably my weight was around 186. I didn't get a picture of that, but you have to trust me on this one. Day 7, I was simply amazed when I got on that scale and did that measurement around my waist. Waistline was about 29 and a half. I hopped on that scale, it was at 183.2. So the question is, can you lose weight? You sure can, and right here's the proof. I lost about 5 pounds in 7 days and about 2.5 inches off my waistline. Try it out, see how it works for you. Let me know in your comments. Again, it's shocking. I was skeptical looking at some of the videos out there. You can see the before and afters, and some of them I don't believe, but I'm here to tell you that it does work. And you can do it and you can try. I'm gonna put a link in another video. I've also been using this apple cider vinegar for my hair, and let me tell you, I am astounded by the results.